Hi everyone, we are participants from Kluang High School and our product is Edutify.
The idea for this product stems from two challenges we encountered. Due to the COVID pandemic, students are not allowed to enter teachers' office. The first challenge is that students who need to find teachers during recess have to ask other teachers for assistance.
Teacher, can I find Miss Lim?
Sure, Miss Lim, there's a student who wants to find you.
Teacher, may I find Miss Liao?
Of course. Teacher Liao, there's a student looking for you.
The second challenge is that our homework room contains classwork from different grades. When students submit their homework, they are unable to enter the office to inform the teachers. As a result, teachers are not promptly aware of the submissions.
The solution to the first challenge is to install an LED light, a buzzer, and a sensor on each teacher's desk. Additionally, several calling buttons and LED lights will be installed outside the office. The sensor on the desk will detect the presence of the teacher, and the LED light outside the office will turn on when the teacher is at their seat. The solution to the second challenge is as follows. LED bulbs will be installed on the bookshelf. After students submit their homework to the bookshelf, the weight of the bulbs will trigger the button press and the LED bulb on the teacher's desk will light up.
This is the draft of our product.
Lastly, here is our budget. The materials we require include LED lights, AA batteries, PCB board prototypes, 2 cell battery holders AA, infrared sensor modules, 10-pin 10-meter flat ribbon cables, push-button switches, cable connectors, 3D printer filament PLA, and push buttons.
Most of our materials are recyclable and purchased from Mr. DIY.
A very big thank you to University Malaya and Mr. DIY for giving us this precious opportunity.
It is an honor to receive your likes. Thanks for watching. It's an honor to receive your likes. Thanks for watching.